Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this DeWalt 20V max cordless drill driver that comes with the battery, the charger, and the carrying bag. Alright, so right here we have the DeWalt Automatic Compact Series. This is the 20V brushless cordless drill. So this one is the brushless drill driver combo kit, and it does come with a battery, a carrying case, as well as the charger, so you can charge up the battery. So this is a 7.6-inch front to back lightweight design, fits into tight areas. Its ergonomic comfort grip handle provides ideal balance and tool control. So you get a nice little carrying bag, so when you're out and about and doing your jobs, you got a nice little bag to carry with you. It does have an LED light with a 20-second trigger release delay, which provides increased visibility in dimly or lit spaces. Right here you get a user manual. This basically just tells you how to connect it, how to charge it, and how to connect your drivers. So this is a super nice kit that does come with everything you need except for the drill bits. This does not come with any drill bits. You will need to purchase that separately. This tackles a wide range of applications with a 20V max compact half-inch drill. This features a 2-speed transmission and a single sleeve stretching chunk. This compact and lightweight drill delivers a 340 UWO for a tough jobs and tough spaces. So this is the bag right here, and then this is the battery. So you do get a battery charger, which is a lithium ion. The dimension of this is 12.5-inch length by 3.75-inch width by 9.81-inch height. So you just put this right here into the battery. You just slide it right in there. And once it's done, the light will stop charging. So you push this button, it just tells you what the battery percentage is. And then you can see if it flashes, it means it's charging. If it's red, it means it's not charging. So you can purchase extra batteries just in case you need to do longer works. So right here is the drill bit itself. It is not super heavy. It is kind of a lightweight. This one here is automatic. You can see that it is not too heavy. Once you put the battery in, it gives a little bit of weight, but not too much weight. You can change this back and forward. You can go 1 or 2. So this is set on number 2. This is a super nice tool. I like the fact that it does come with a light. So if you're in a dark area and you can't see anything, it does provide a little bit of light. And this button here is for it to go forward or backwards. So this is forward. This other one here is backwards. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the battery that come with this and we're going to attach it so we can turn it on, so I can show you how it works. So you just slide this in here just like this and you'll hear a pop. That means it's locked in place. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. You can hear it turning. So you can tell that it is not super loud. It does the job. So I'm just going to tighten it up so where you can put your screwdriver in there. And then I'm going to reverse it. So you reverse it right here to remove the screwdriver. So this is a super nice, powerful screwdriver. It does offer the 20V. It has a nice bright LED light right here for nice and dark spaces. It does come with a removable battery as well as a charger. So you can purchase these removable batteries separately, but this one does come with just the drill. You got the battery, the charger, the instructions manual, as well as a carrying case. So if you're looking for a nice 20V drill, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This makes a great Christmas gift or a birthday gift for the loved ones. This one here does include all that you see here. I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one works super excellent.